record me, every time you record me, I get Xbox time.
Daddy said we're proud of you. Oh, tear alert, tear alert.
Okay.
I better get Xbox time for this. Every time you record me, I get Xbox time. You hear this? You hear this? In the chat, every time I forget that I get Xbox time, text in the chat for my mom, Daniel gets Xbox time.
What happened to
All
your
right?
hair?
I didn't comb it when I got out of the shower. That's what happened. Didn't want Xbox time.
Stop playing with a knife. So you cut this in half. Okay.
I knew it.
Okay. And you open it slightly. Okay. And then like that. Open another one. Open it slightly. You can get a spoon, then you can put butter. This is when you put salt and pepper.
Hi guys, it's me. No, don't point the camera up. No, now they really know it's me.
But you said hello guys, so. Alright, go ahead. What are you waiting on? Do your butter.
Well, that's a little too much salt.
Not too much. Not too much. Salt is not good for you. Okay.
Look at that pile right there.
So just
Yeah.
put it everywhere. Okay, the next is to put cheese. Did you wash your hands?
No.
Wash your hands. My gosh. You're
Recording?
I am. Hurry up. I don't need you to say anything, okay?
Thank you. Last one.
It's the
Katsu
last
done?
one that the last video they have is you didn't wash your hands. Folks, Never touch food without washing your hands.
Yeah, and now they're all wet. Folks, also another fun fact, you have to wash your hands for 30 seconds before you can get all the germs off of your hands.
Did you wash yours for 30 seconds?
It's technically in your mind sing the ABC song, but like
What are you
slowly.
talking about?
That's 30 seconds.
What ABC song?
You know what I
Don't
do?
worry about it. Don't worry about
One
it.
Lord's Prayer, one Hail Mary, Holy Mary, Glory be. That's it.
Okay, fill it up, Baba. Fill it up.
It is filled.
No, it's not. I have to fill it up. Like, lay it down because you want it to melt in the thing. Right? Top of it. Everywhere. Okay, so now, is this yours? This one on the left?
Yeah. Actually, no, this is mine.
Okay. So now we're gonna put it back. So this is Daddy's.
Feeding my dog Sandy. Actually, never mind. No, I want this one. I want this one. What are these?
Cilantro.
What's that?
It's an herb.
What's an herb?
It adds flavor.
No, I don't want any herbs.
Okay, so are we ready? So
No,
we're
I
gonna
have
put
to
it back.
I have to destroy all the herbs.